What's good, y'all? I got the DPR limited edition number of the DPR Lightstick. Let's open it up. And inside... What's the... What? Oh, here it is. So right now, I'm about to unbox. Damn it! So my boy, DPR Ian, homie of mine, amazing, incredible, talented superstar, gave me a limited Lightstick, and he wanted me to unbox it, just for y'all. Also, he wanted me to, and I quote, I swear to God, if he doesn't comment about this, and I'm pretty sure he won't, and he'll forget. So Ian also knows his Lightstick looks weird. He knows it kind of looks like a, because he even told me, it looks kind of weird, doesn't it, huh? No. Ian knows, and he wants me to joke around about it. The whole crew knows. They know it looks like a sus little thing. It's a little sussy baka. All right. Oh, there's a letter? I have never opened this. Hold on. There's a little letter? What? With great appreciation, we would like to thank you for being a part of the DPR's journey. I read that wrong. Words aren't enough to describe how much you all mean to us. Oh, it's not a personal one. Words aren't enough to describe how much you all mean to us. This dreamlight is the marking of a new journey and era. For dreamers and the team, may it lead us to another great adventure into the DPR universe. Dream always. Whoa. Whoa. Dre, those are sold out everywhere. I know. So I was very lucky. I got this very early, like my first Korea trip. It's supposed to be. It is not a like everybody.
We love you, Dre.
It's not a. You think you could fit this up your hoo-ha? You must be out your damn mind. A lava lamp, everybody. It's a lava lamp. God damn, why you got this stuck in here, girl? Oh my fuck. We're getting there. We're working on it. Oh shit, it comes with a stand. Dream Perfect Regime. Look at that. It kind of looks sus, but it's supposed to be a lava lamp. It kind of look kind of extreme. How do we open this? I don't want to break it. And this part, take off that part. It's so quiet right now. I'm gonna put some music over this. But all right, now we screw it. Once we put the little DPR that little nightlight part, it's time to put it together. Oh, I need batteries. Don't be making that noise. Oh my God, you're so tight. Why is it so hard to open it? Can I open it up this way? I swear to God, Ian told me to do this. Laying on the couch at the studio, playing his video games like, bro, just do it. Just do it. It's gonna be hilarious. Oh, that's to lock it. I've been trying to twist it to lock. Bro, stay in. Look at that. I just opened it. Let me get batteries, bro. Oh, that's kind of cute though. What are you little? Wow, it's like a handle. That's actually really cute. Look at it. I just can't wait to see it like glow up. Hey, however you put it in, as long as it fits. Pause. It's. Wow. Remember there's an app because this girl came out of nowhere from the DPR team saying like, hey, here's what you gotta do. So there's an app. We got connected. You gotta hold this down, I guess. Okay, we don't hold it down. Okay, that's that part, I think. Oh. you press twice. Okay. When entering Bluetooth mode, normally the light stick flashes like the screen. Oh, you could change different colors. Oh, shit. Sorry. Whoa. Oh my God. Well, there's a mood lamp dimming. There's a rainbow. That's not rainbow. That's red. Oh, it's turning to different colors. I'm dumb. Okay. Impressive. Impressive. This is per Ian's request. What's good, y'all? I got the DPR limited edition number of the DPR Lightstick. It is number... it doesn't matter. Let's open it up. And inside... Where's the... What? Wait, hold up. Oh, here it is. Happy Ian. If you see this on any social media, comment that was very demure.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon. See you guys there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.